son just grabbed my backpack.
Just like him?
Yep. It's like it stuck its hand behind and then grabbed my back.
His backpack moved just a little bit ago.
Yeah, it was
All right. Look, it's fine. Adam? Yep.
Did you grab the backpack?
You did? Can you make all three of those go off? Make all three of them go off. Oh yeah, please, do whatever you want.
Is your name Paul?
Alright, cool. So I'm gonna go back to what they're doing. Keep your voices like this level, so we don't cross the animals. But work with this, because putting K2s in an object they're familiar with might make it easier for them to use whatever energy they're trying to get to communicate, okay? So let's keep going.
How old are you? Are you 20?
I didn't know something. This sounds like a child's voice was very, very low. I got it on this.
Paul, you're a soldier.
Are you a little kid? Yeah. Did you work out here? Or work here? Are you a boy? Are you a little girl?
I need to find a shadow.
I'll do it again.
Are you still near us?
There's that green light right there.
If you're a little boy, would you like to play stickball?
Maxed out.
Yeah, it is.
We're doing our little circle.
Did you like those tattoos, or are you still here with us?
You like that K2 meter? You like to see all the lights?
Can you grab it?
If you want to talk, you can talk into that little red light, or you can talk over here to my wife.
Okay.
She's got a device that can let you talk.
Did you help out here at SLA?
Here, Paul.
Did your parents work here? Did your dad work here?
Are you the one that I thought I heard earlier? I heard a child's voice. Okay, got
Yes.
affirmative.
Right when you said that, I was just saying like shadows like whipping back and forth between all y'all.
What did?
What's your name on that? How old are you? You want to talk this lady here can hear you.
Right into this light right here. Get as close to it as you can, right here. Can you tell me your name?
Yell if you have to.
How old are you?
Are you 4?
Are you younger than 10? Older than 10?
Thank you.
Okay.
Good dog, you.
You're talkative right now.
Thank you for what you're doing. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, I see what's going on over there.
Huh?
There's a lot of what's going on.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Want to get our attention? Pull on my back wall.
Can you hug one of us? Wow, it's getting a lot colder. Am I the only one noticing that?
My legs are getting
I
cold.
feel a breeze.
I do too.
My legs got really cold. Are you right
Oh,
near?
I heard something. I heard something. It was a child's voice again.
Can you give me a hug?
Okay.
Do you miss your mommy?
Reach out and touch my face.
You want to have some fun? See this old guy right here? You can pull his beard. It's not over here.
It's low, so. And it's not really source of your pain.
I feel like that's all I got.
Are you scared?
You know we're not going to do anything to hurt you, right?
We just want to know about you.
Do something to my hand.